Welcome to another video on ChatGPT. Imagine typing a question into ChatGPT, receiving an answer, and realizing it's wrong. This phenomenon is called AI hallucination, and it's crucial to understand. AI hallucinations occur when models generate incorrect, misleading, or nonsensical information. It can confuse and mislead users. Identifying and mitigating these outputs is essential for effective interactions. Let's break down how to recognize and address this issue step by step. First, look at the context of the generated response. Is it relevant to your question? Next, assess the specifics. Does the information seem accurate? Lastly, cross-check with reliable sources. If it doesn't match, that's a potential hallucination. Understanding why AI hallucinations happen is important, too. AI models learn from vast data but don't truly understand context. They can generate information based on patterns, sometimes leading to inaccuracies. For example, if you ask ChatGPT about a historical event, it may fabricate details. It might combine facts inaccurately, creating an entirely fictional account. Always verify the information you receive, especially for critical topics. In summary, AI hallucinations can mislead users but can be mitigated. By critically analyzing the response and verifying facts, you can navigate these challenges more effectively. Remember, your awareness is your best tool. Now that you know about AI hallucinations, practice questioning the validity of AI responses. Engage critically with the information and share your insights with others who may benefit. In the next video we will discuss about legal considerations and copyright. Stay connected with us. Thank you.